equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, turn off your Conga 5490 and unplug it from the charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment on the underside of the robot. You will see a series of screws securing the cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. Take a moment to clean the interior of the compartment with your soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting the performance of your vacuum. Now, you will see the battery. Disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it away from a socket. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery with the connector and push it firmly into place. Ensure it's secure before proceeding. Next, replace the battery cover. Align it properly and press down gently. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. After securing the cover, it's a good idea to give the entire unit a quick clean. Use your soft cloth to wipe down the exterior, ensuring it looks as good as new. Now, plug your Conga 5490 back into the charger and turn it on. Allow it to charge fully before using it again. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Finally, if you encounter any issues or if the vacuum doesn't operate as expected, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision about your device's maintenance. And that's it. You've successfully changed the battery in your Conga 5490. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your vacuum and keep it performing at its best. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.